Hi friends and fellow flyers. I'm going to be promoting these kits here now, and there's a USA warehouse, and I really enjoy these models. They're just what you need if you're a real modeler. Now if you're just a consumer, Horizon Hobbies got you covered. You can go get the toys at the toy store already put together for you. They fly great. But if you're a real modeler and enjoy assembling things and putting things together, then you may like these little minimum RCs. They are fantastic little models. They fly fantastic, and it's easy. They come with everything you need, and you can maybe convert one of these little Delta Darts over to RC. See, I got the Cessna. It says Cessna 152 in the yellow. And this was, I got the full kit. The full kit with a radio, guys. With a radio. I'm excited to see this new radio. But I was absolutely thrilled to get this. And the full kit, full system, was like $128. That's with shipping, guys.